watcher and subscriber, today we will see LCM concept. In the last tutorial we had seen HCF. Okay, so what exactly LCM? So it is simply the smallest of the common multiple. So if we take the example, find the LCM of 6 and 15, then we go in the multiplication table. 6 multiplication table starts with 6. Then we write the coming number. Same way we do for 15. So if you see this calculation, 30 is the common. 30 number is common. So it means that there is a match at 30. So the LCM of 6 and 15 is 30. So you just pointed out one thing logically. Suppose you have the number like 6 and 15. Then in these two number, the greater number is more important logically, because the LCM will be more than this greater number, or it is equal to the greater number. And every time we check the next value, we check the next value of that number, because here in the case of 6 and 15, 6 cannot be the LCM, 12 cannot be the LCM. Why? Because 15 value is the larger. So we are interested in that larger value, and logically we will increment this value, so we will find the LCM. So you just keep in mind one thing, the larger value is more important for us. So now here we will directly go in the coding section and we will see how we can get the LCM. So dear student, now here we are in the PyCharm, and in the last program also we use such input and output statement. So by using x and y, user will enter the value and we are going to have LCM function. So here we will define this function with the parameter x and y, and here our coding will start. And as this is the function definition, then in the Python it start with the def, so don't forget to use this keyword. And here you have to write the code for this function. So as I told you, the greatest value is the important in the comparison. So here we have to take if statement, x greater than y. So here the largest number is x, otherwise the largest is y. So here we have calculated the largest between these two number. Now here we have to start the looping process after this comparison, and that will be included under that function. So while this condition we always want to make true, means I always want to execute this. So I am writing here true value, so it is always executed. And there here I have to write the exact coding. So as you know, the largest number is important here. So here in the if statement, I will first take largest variable, and you have to divide this by other number x and y. Got it? So largest modulus x exactly equals to 0, and largest modulus y exactly equals to 0. So this statement is more important because that largest number, got it, we have to check it from other number x and y, means whether it is divisible by two number or not, and every time we will increment that largest number in this division process, because the LCM will be more than larger value between the two number. So once this statement is over, here we will write LCM equal to largest, and here after this statement we will include here break statement. So here the meaning is what? Once the value is exactly equals to 0 for anyone, then that will be the LCM for that largest number, because that value, suppose we are taking the number 4 and 12, so it will be more than 12. Okay, so that LCM will be largest whenever it is divisible by x or whether it is divisible by y, it doesn't matter, and we will go outside the loop. And for printing this LCM value, we will go here outside this loop, and here I will print output statement LCM. And by using this output statement, we will get the final output. So once that if execution is over and we are getting here largest number, so definitely by using break statement we will go out of the loop and we will print this, we will get this LCM output. So I hope you understood this coding, and now we check the program. So here I am taking number 4 and 12. So the LCM is 12. If I go for other number 5 and 15, so it is 15. So in this way you can check the LCM of any two number. Same logic you can convert between the LCM of three number. You have to check the largest number between 3, and this code you have to do it for 3 times. So in this way you can do it for 3 number, 4 number according to you. So I hope dear student you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.